Now that your sidewall extension J-trim is secured in place, it's time to install your soffit panels. Your extension soffit panels will come pre-cut to your building and will slide into the J-trim before being secured to the bottom leg of your low eave purlin with screws. You'll need to identify the soffit panels that are supposed to be installed for the extension you're working on. Refer to the sheet metal trim package list located in your ship list. This page will indicate what panels and lengths are to be used at each surface of your building. In our example, our panels are labeled at Eave extensions. Since our building has a bird box present, we slide the first panel along the J-trim to the back of the bird box before securing in place with painted sheet metal screws into the bottom leg of the low eave purlin. When installing your second soffit panel, overlap the first panel as demonstrated here. In our example, we are installing our panels from the right side and working to the left. Therefore, the overlap edge of our soffit panels will be positioned on the right side when installing. If you elect to install from left to right, then your overlap edge will be positioned on the left side. Each panel will need to be secured at the first high rib and the middle high rib before adding the next panel. Continue this process along the length of your extension. Once all soffit panels have been installed, you are ready to install your post trim. Post trim will run the length of your low eave purlin to cover both the face of the purlin and the end of your soffit panels. Thanks for choosing Worldwide Steel Buildings. Got questions? Give us a call at 1-800-825-0316 or visit our website at worldwidesteelbuildings.com.